Hi guys, my name is Robert and welcome to 60 Over Fashion. Now, as it says in the title, today we're going to talk about dating. Interesting subject, of course, and we all have to go there at some point. Now, when you're over 60, it becomes a little more difficult to meet ladies, so you try these online dating sites. There is a myriad of dating sites out there. Some of them are good, some of them are not so good. The better ones you have to pay for. Okay, the free ones aren't as good. So I joined a dating site called Our Time. Now it's £20 a month, and you have to sign up for 6 months. That's £120. £120 to find a lovely lady isn't a lot of money, is it? When you think about it, a couple of very small lunches, and you've paid £120, and that's it. So how do you start? Well, you have to put your details in, which is not shared by other people. You have to fill out this form saying what you're looking for, what your height is, colour eyes, what your body's like, things like that. It's very, very simple. Try and be as precise and honest as possible. Then take some photographs, okay? Or do it before. But current photographs, nicely dressed up, a decent facial shot with you smiling, and other bits and pieces like that, and away you go. So you post all this online, you're looking for ladies, and then you come up against the problem that I've encountered, where ladies have put up photographs which are 10 years older than they actually are. If you look carefully, you can notice the photos look older. They're not as clear cut, not as sharp. Modern cameras take pretty good pictures. So if the pictures aren't very good or they're very fuzzy, you almost want to discount that. So it's hard for you to discover true ladies, but they are out there. Lots of them are out there. So you start trolling through all these ladies. You can do a search criteria, which is normally on the left hand side. So you start looking for ladies, and there's a search button on there where you can put in specifics. Now, don't put too many specifics in, otherwise you won't find anybody. So, if you're looking for somebody that plays golf, you put golf in there, one might come up. So be realistic of your search criteria. Look for an age group that's appropriate to you. So I'm 66, I'm looking from 55 to 66. I don't want somebody older. Unless she's Miss World, of course. 55, yeah, it's about right. Bit below that, maybe 50. I don't think that's suitable. There's a big difference in the age group. So, be careful what you look for and what you ask for. So you start looking, you find a nice lady, you send her a message or click the heart button. You may or may not get a reply. Don't chase too much, okay? 1 or 2 messages and stop. They won't reply to you if they're not interested. So fine, delete them off the list. You can actually delete them out completely, but don't do that just yet. And then carry on looking. Send the same message to every single one if you want. Hi, how are you? How long have you been on here? Simple enough. Leave your name and leave it at that. And repeat that all the way through if you wish. You can change various things, but don't start saying too much about how beautiful they are and she's got a lovely body or anything like that. Don't go there. Keep it simple, keep it straight. Now, if it progresses, you start chatting with somebody and you move on to phone numbers and other bits and pieces like that. This is great. You organise a date, fantastic. First date comes up, lovely. So you meet this lady. She actually looks like a photograph, brilliant, and she sounds wonderful because you've spoken to her on the phone, so that's all good. So you have this date. Make it a coffee or something like that. Don't go to lunch, don't go to dinner. You can decide to do that later if you so wish. But if you hit it off over a coffee and you converse well together, everything's good. That's the ball rolling, okay? It's up to you then to take it to the next level if you so wish, if she so wishes. Look out for the signs. There are little signs with ladies, they'll flick around with their hair and they look you in the eyes directly quite a lot, which will mean that they're very interested. Learn about them as much as you can over this coffee. Try and work out who they where they're from, are they real, and then take it from there. It's not an interrogation. Keep it simple. Keep it happy. And keep it light. So I think that's the first phase of, you know, getting on to finding a date for a lady. As I say, there are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds on there. Make sure your search criteria also states how far you're willing to travel. You know, if you say, like myself, I'm in London and I say 20 miles, it's 20 miles from the other side of London out, or 20 miles from the top side of London out. So it's not exactly accurate. So you need to have a look at that area where they're from. You know, if they're from Brighton, you know, it's a long way out. So be careful what you do. Take your time. Don't rush. Enjoy the experience. Okay? Don't keep going on there every 5 minutes. Don't wait for people to reply, because it will take hours sometimes, you know. Do your message, send it off. If you get a message back and keep missing each other, send a message to say, how about we check in at 6 o'clock? That'll work. And then you'll get going. That's all for now, guys. Next episode, we're going to be showing some more clothes and outfits. I might go on a little buying spree and try and find a complete outfit that's, you know, maybe a top or jacket or jumper, shirt, trousers and shoes for £100. That'd be a good deal. See you later. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and please subscribe. It really helps me. Okay. And don't forget, you can contact me on Robert60overfashion@hotmail.com, and we'll take it from there. Goodbye.